Hello, good morning. It's Friday the 4th. I'm FX Plu and this is the market brief. So the Bank of England was on. In line with expectation, they raised interest rates by 0.25%. That delivered consecutive rate hikes for the first time since 2004. And they also warned that inflation may be set to rise above 7%. No doubt the 25 basis point hike rather than 0.1 like we had in December was intended to send a signal to the market that they are serious about fighting inflation. That said, there are many who feel that the 0.1 rate hike would have been better seen back in November when Bailey's forward guidance was rather undermined by his colleagues. Sunak was also on. He announced that the energy price cap would be increased. This means that the average family will pay about £700 more each year for their energy. He also began his speech with a thinly veiled attack on how the government had conducted itself recently. That was on the back of 4 senior advisors resigning over Boris's attempted Partygate cover-up and his lies about his involvement. Sunak may have only been elected as an MP in 2015, but it's pretty clear he's already up for the top job if we do have a leadership contest. In the market, sterling saw a rate hike rally against the dollar. We reached a high of 136.30. But today is all about US employment data. It's non-farm Friday, and that means we're having the sweepstake. Forecasts for today's headline number have steadily fallen over the past 2 weeks or so as a number of negative factors have built up in the data released. This was topped off rather nicely on Wednesday when the ADP report showed the economy had lost 300,000 jobs in the private sector. Not what the market expected or indeed wanted to see when the Fed is cracking on with their fight against inflation. So that all makes today's number rather more difficult to call. We could see it fall off a cliff and post less than 100,000 new jobs. But equally, we could see a surprise to the upside with over 300,000 new jobs just as easily. Everything to play for then. You know the drill. It's free to play along and newcomers are welcome, so do tag your mates. Drop your bid in the comments below and cross your fingers. Who knows, you might see yourself on the top spot this month. Stranger things have happened. I mean, I won this once, and what do I know? So anyway, I'm going to lead the charge for hashtag Team Under today, starting the year as a negative Nelly. I'm in it to win it at a meagre 75,000 new jobs. Game on.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.